I didn't see you there. I thought we'd just pop in and have a little chat about life, 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 and how how she goes. It's unscripted, so just deal with it. Where shall we begin? Well, maybe for those of you who have seen a couple of my episodes, you might have noticed that they're kind of random, and it's just like pictures and sounds and a bit of a story in the background, but unless you know me, you're not really going to know what there is going on. So I'll start at the beginning. Right. I'm here in the Philippines. That's not the beginning. That's pretty much the end. But I'm here in the Philippines as a result of sailing a boat from Cape Town, delivering it here to the Philippines for its owner. That's basically what I do for a living. And I have been doing that for more than 15 years. But then obviously COVID and all of that jazz, that happened, and so here we are. I had other boats lined up in Southeast Asia that I was supposed to deliver on to other countries. All fell through, and I ended up sticking around here hoping that things would change like everybody else does, or else did. That didn't happen, and so I took the last of my pocket change, and I bought that little boat, and I started fixing her up, and the plan was to go sailing around the Philippines in a little outrigger canoe type boat, which is still a dream. It's a dream. Well, it's only a dream because now I might actually be going back to work. It all depends on whether or not I get a visa for said country. But if I do, then I would go back to my day job, being a delivery skipper. So hopefully, if that pulls through, I'll put my little canoe on the hard. I'll put my little canoe up on, or I'll just let somebody else use it. Somebody's help me, or I'll just put it somewhere where it'll be dry and safe while I'm gone. If I ever get back here, I mean, who knows? I mean, I hope so, but it's stinking hot all the time. It's so hot. Anyway, besides the point. Yeah, so that might be the future, which is why I haven't done any progress on the boat, because I'm actually trying to save my money for the future of like getting to the next job and all of that jazz. So we'll see. It's an interesting one. I mean, life is no wonder the ocean is 75% water. Or no wonder we are 75% water, because the earth is 75% water. And so we flow like this just as much as it flows like this. And goodness gracious, man. I know it's been a tough year for everybody, but God, man. I hope none of you have had to be on your own for it. Not that I've been alone. This is not a sulky commentary. No, I haven't been alone. The Philippines has welcomed me with open arms. Let me actually stop now before I get there. Yeah, I was just trying to give you an update of where I am. So boat project might be on hold if I get visa for other country, if get negative test, if fly there, if deliver, and maybe I can make some documentaries or video clips about that, and so we'll see. Okay.